Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a video explaining a security flaw that was disclosed a couple of days ago. And I've had a few people asking me about this and wondering how serious this is. Well, if you are a user of Windows 7 or Windows 10, you have, and we know now there's a pretty big security flaw that has to do with Internet Explorer. Now, it was actually announced at Microsoft. They were actually informed of it, and the response was, well, eventually, issue a fix, which didn't please the researcher that actually found the flaw. So he decided to, because he thought it was so important, to literally disclose the flaw, and that means bad guys now know that this flaw exists. So it has to do with MHD files, that are web archived files, which is a format unique to Internet Explorer. So that means that even if you don't use Internet Explorer, if you would come across such a file, it would be processed by Internet Explorer in the background without you even knowing about it. That's why it's serious, because it means you don't even need to use Internet Explorer to actually be infected, or mostly what it does is mostly steal information. So it would be able to steal files off your PC, for example, and snoop on what you're doing. So, of course, that means that this is a huge security risk for people. So, of course, if you're careful with what you do on the internet and you go to your regular websites and so on, it limits the risk factor. But I will still do a little something, because the only way that you technically can be safe off of this is almost to basically remove Internet Explorer from your Windows 7 or Windows 10 PC. And if you, of course, don't use Internet Explorer, you don't really need it in those systems, so you can actually remove it. So I will post a video, and you will see how to remove Internet Explorer on your computer with that video that I'll post today. So be careful what you do. It's really a snooping feature that can happen. I would expect that Microsoft will probably issue a update to fix this flaw pretty soon. But if you don't use Internet Explorer at all and don't care for it, check out my video I'm going to post in a few minutes on how to remove Internet Explorer 11 from your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and be careful on the internet.